Okay, Candice had the idea for us to try some holiday snacks. And this one is basically only going to be mine. She can't try it. She has a peanut allergy. But I'm going to try the rest of them with her. Take it away!
Okay.
I'm embarrassing her, y'all. Sorry.
Yeah. Which one do you want to start with?
Then you going to tell her what it is?
I know, but yes, but which one should we start with?
This is your... Well, I'm just in your world.
Oh.
Doing your thing.
Okay. So we can start with this one first. We have assorted chocolate from, how do you say this brand?
The G chocolate. Gurradilla, I guess.
Oh, that's how you say it.
Okay.
It comes with 3 flavors: milk, chocolate, caramel, peppermint bark, and mint cookie. Let me open it.
We can do another one where we like, and you know.
Okay, let's get flavors out. Let's move this to the side for now.
Okay, we'll move this aside.
You can both have like half.
Yeah.
Just taste it. Which one do you want to start with?
I'll let you start. I'm just going with what you go with.
Okay.
I don't really like peppermint, y'all, but I'm gonna try it because my daughter like it. So I'm gonna take a bite and you have the rest of that.
Okay, let's start with peppermint bark.
Where'd you get your own? You said we have one each.
No, we're like tasting half.
Oh, we tasting
We have
half?
a lot.
Okay, I got you.
Okay. Break a piece?
Yeah. Hold on before you break it. Let it go. See what it looked like. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I don't really like the peppermint too much. This is actually good. It's not heavy peppermint taste. What do you think? Some stuff is like over peppermint. And they don't taste like
white chocolate too.
It is white chocolate.
Oh.
That was good.
You can choose.
I want to choose the mint chocolate. The mint cookie. I feel like it's gonna have like, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like cookies and cream type thing, but minty.
Mm.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Why do I? Okay, take another piece off.
That's fine.
Okay.
Nope. It's like a cookie and cream, but minty.
Mm-hmm.
You don't like it?
I like the other one more.
Cause you like peppermint.
I think I'm used to like white chocolate cookies and cream, and this one's like more of a milk chocolate.
And it's minty. So the final one in this variety pack is the milk chocolate caramel. Caramel.
Caramel. Just say caramel. Oh,
Yeah.
this one's like.
You got the, yeah, that's why I kept it in the wrapper.
Oh.
You got the
okay.
ooey gooey caramel center.
You ready?
I didn't put the whole piece in my mouth. Yeah.
This is regular caramel?
This is regular caramel. That was good. Okay. I want to take a little bit break from the chocolate and get a cookie.
Okay. What is it? Chessman minis?
It's the Chessman Minis.
Minis.
From from Pepperidge Farm. The Chessman Minis. They have instead of like the chess pieces, they have the Christmas designs on them. So if you ever had the shortbread Chessman cookies, Chessman Minis, I'm putting it in here.
No. I got a. I don't know what this is.
A bell.
Oh.
I got a Christmas tree.
Yeah, but my bill has like a horn sticking out of it.
That's not a horn. It's just bed design print.
Okay.
Come to think of it, this is a lot of candy to try. Your face looks like you don't like it. You don't.
It's not bad.
Oh, it's not bad at all. Turn around the camera, turn over, spit it out.
Let's just put it over here.
What you want to try next?
Oh, let's try the cookie dough. So Next we have peppermint cookie dough bites. Peppermint flavored dough with candy crunch coated in white fudge. That sounds good. Oh, and it's pink. Oh, my cat's here. Okay. Oh, okay. She wants to say hi. Come here, Lulu. This is Lulu. She wanted to say hi.
She's the devil.
No, she's not. She's so cute. Okay, bye, Lulu.
The reality was she was trying to get to the tree. She don't care about us. We blocking the tree.
No, it's because we have like rappers and she likes hearing food. Okay, let me grab one.
That sounds nice. She likes hearing food.
Okay, ready? 3.
It looked like it's just like it's dipped in white chocolate.
Yeah, it's a coated. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's good.
I don't like this. Cut this part out. Oh.
They're actually really good. You should get them from Target. Try yours.
Okay. I split up a little bit because
We can do it later too. We can do shots for later.
I want to take a bite and then I'm going to just brush my teeth afterwards, and then Candice can open up the next one for you. Cause this one has sugar cookies in it, but it's a Reese's cup, and I haven't had a Reese's cup in a while. Cause like I said, Candice is allergic to nuts, and I don't really eat stuff around it with the nuts in it. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna go brush my teeth.
You gotta get your reaction. Oh, show it. Is it like a filling?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I thought I was gonna actually see the cookie dough like you showed.
It's not cookie dough. It's like actual sugar cookie. It's crunchy. It's good.
Okay. The last one is another peppermint cookie. It's from Lindor, so I'm actually really excited for this one since I really liked the cookie dough.
I'll eat the whole thing and brush my teeth.
I think this is like milk chocolate too. The packaging is really cute. It's like this green little like green and red and white packaging. I'll save one for my mom. Was it good at least?
It was delicious. Hey, my man, right?
Yes. No, I'm actually talking to my cat.
Oh, okay. Are you put the rest of this in there? Because I feel like it's too much candy.
Yeah, that's why I was just tasting it.
You can taste that one. I'm not tasting one.
Okay. It's okay. It mainly tastes like just milk chocolate. You can't really taste the mint in it. I'd give it like a 4 out of 10 because I really want to taste more of the mint. Okay, mommy, I'm done.
Okay. Hold on. We can do an ended part.
Okay, I'll set the candy dough and show everything we tried. I feel like the camera should have been there to see that. This is everything we tried. What is your favorite out of all these?
The cookies and the Reese's cup.
Oh, you like these?
The cookies and the Reese's cup. I did not like the cookie dough.
My
For
favorite-
me, that was a 0 out of 10. It wasn't my preference. I decided to do these taste these holiday candies with Candice because. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, my favorite was the cookie dough, and I liked the peppermint bark. Those were my two favorites.
Cause she liked peppermint. We're gonna be doing more holiday stuff. Cause my daughter is the holiday princess up in here with the decorations and everything. So look forward to y'all do as she bake cupcakes. I can't wait to put my taste tester on.
Okay,
for the
thank
cookie.
you for watching. This is our first day of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Okay.